Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you to this my live session. In this live session, we'll discuss about TET, CTET or other CET exam related CDP subjects. The topic is very important. Development theory presented by Jerome Bruner. Jerome Bruner, he was a popular psychologist. He introduced development theory. So all of you focus here. Those who are newly joining this my live session, kindly request to all of you subscribe my channel and also share to your friends this information. चलो यहाँ पर जो भी इस सेशन में जुड़े हैं वो एंड तक जुड़े रहें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. टीईटी या सीटेट एग्ज़ाम में क्या है, जैसे कि पिछले क्लास में आपने देखा कि पियाजेस कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट थ्योरी, सेम लाइक जेरोम ब्रूनर्स थ्योरी भी क्या है, एग्ज़ाम में कई मरतबा इसके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा चुके हैं. तो थोड़ा क्या है यहाँ पर फोकस करें. सो ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थ्योरी. First, Bruner believed that learning is an active process, and children learn best when they discover knowledge. Bruner is mainly focusing on discovery learning. Bruner believed that learning is an active process and children learn best when they discover. बच्चे के यहाँ पर डिस्कवर करते हैं ना, तब क्या है, लर्निंग होता है. सो लर्निंग इज एन एक्टिव प्रोसेस. चिल्ड्रन लर्न बाय डूइंग. यूजुअली चिल्ड्रंस आर लर्निंग बाय डूइंग, एक्सप्लोरिंग एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग. आप देखे होंगे कई सारे बच्चे क्या है, खेलते कूदते कुछ काम करते, यहाँ पर कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हुए कुछ नई चीज़ों को ढूंढते हैं, तलाश करते हैं. यूजुअली चिल्ड्रंस आर डूइंग, एक्सप्लोरिंग, एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. सो दिस कॉल्ड एज ए लर्निंग इज एन एक्टिव प्रोसेस. टीचर एक्ट एज ए गाइड. इन सच condition, teacher should be guide them, not just a giver information. So the role of teacher in discovery learning as a guide, not a instructor, not a informer. Example, instead of telling students plants need sunlight, allow them to grow plants in sunlight and darkness. Grow plants in sunlight and darkness to discover the result. Instead of telling students plants need sunlight. So apart from this one, instead of this, so the teacher as a guide allow them to grow plants in sunlight and darkness to discover the result. बच्चे क्या है, खुद डिस्कवर करना है, खुद क्या है इसके बारे में एक्सपेरिमेंट करके अंडरस्टैंड करना है. जेरोम ब्रूनर ही presented in his theory three modes of representation. These are also called as stages. Bruner said is stored in three ways, not age based like Piaget. Piaget क्या है, स्टेजेस के ऊपर अपना थ्योरी को प्रपोंड किया, बट ही प्रपोंडेड 3 ways of learning. Any child or adult can use all three ways. So let us see what are the 3 ways. First, inactive stage, 0 to 3 years. So all of you focus, very important. These are stage or 3 ways. 0 to 3 years inactive. It means action based learning. So in beginning, children are learning through physical actions. फिजिकल एक्शंस थ्रू क्या है, बच्चे सीखते हैं. नोइंग और अंडरस्टैंडिंग बाय डूइंग. So this is called as a action based learning. Example, child learns to tie shoelace by actually tying it many times. Example. Then iconic stage, 3 to 6 years. Image based learning. Image, it means learning through pictures, diagrams, models. This is called as a iconic stage or image based learning. Pictures, diagrams and models. Knowing by seeing. In beginning, knowing by doing. In second iconic stage है knowing by seeing. जो देखते हैं, देख के सीखते हैं. Whatever they are seeing, so knowing by seeing. Example, students understand the solar system through charts, pictures and models. So my dear viewers, all of you in our school level teaching, so try to use more and more charts, models, pictures in your teaching classes, because these are very effective for your teaching or learning. So many more students are learning by what they are seeing. So this is called as a very important iconic stage. Then next, third one, symbolic stage, 7+ year. Symbolic means language or number based learning. Any type of symbols, language, letters, words, these are the symbol based learning. Learning through symbols, words, formula, concepts. So first example, child understands 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 using number symbol without objects. For example, 2 apple means 1 apple, then second apple, then plus, then next 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is a second stage of learning, iconic stage, but this is a number. 2 is a symbol of 2, then this also symbol of 2 is equal to, this also is equal to symbol, then 4, this is a symbol of 4. So this is a iconic based learning, this is a number based or a symbolic learning. Then the next concept is a spiral curriculum. Knowledge should be introduced in simple form first, then repeated at higher levels with more complexity. As per the all 3 ways, spiral curriculum should be organized. Knowledge should be introduced in simple form first, then repeated at higher levels with more complexity. Simple to complex means easy to difficult level में क्या है, curriculum syllabus को arrange करना है. Any topic can be taught at any age with a proper simplification. Simple to little more difficult. Then example, class 2, simple idea of multiplication, repeated addition. Class 5, bigger number and word problems. Class 8 algebraic multiplication, same concept revisited and deeper. Then one more concept by Brunner, discovery learning. Students should discover concepts by themselves. अपना आप खुद क्या है कॉन्सेप्ट्स को डिस्कवर करना है. Encourages curiosity, how to learn by themselves. In this time, teacher should be encourages curiosity, then problem solving and creativity. Example, instead of explaining grammar rules, suppose grammar chapter, give sentences, let students find the pattern. So learn by with examples. Then another concept, scaffolding. एग्जाम में कई मरतबा पूछा था है. हेल्प दैट इज स्लोली रिमूव्ड. टीचर गिव्स सपोर्ट. Scaffolding means what? Support. Hints, clues in the beginning, then gradually reduces the help as the child learn. The next, link to Vygotsky's ZPD. So Brunner's theory can be linked to Vygotsky's ZPD, zone of proximal development. Example, teacher helps students read difficult word by sounding out of the first letter. Later student reads independently. Then importance of culture and language. So here Vygotsky also given importance to the culture and language in learning. लैंग्वेज प्लेज अ मेजर रोल इन लर्निंग. ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. लैंग्वेज को ज़्यादा फोकस किया था वाइगॉट्स्की ने. कल्चर शेप्स द वे चिल्ड्रन थिंक. एग्जाम्पल, अ चाइल्ड रेज्ड इन ए फार्मिंग कम्युनिटी अंडरस्टैंड एग्रीकल्चरल कॉन्सेप्ट्स फास्टर. तो लैंग्वेज क्या है? लैंग्वेज और कल्चर इम्पोर्टेंट यहाँ पर इसका रोल है. देन मोटिवेशन इन लर्निंग. मोटिवेट करना, मोटिवेशन. लर्निंग शुड बी मीनिंगफुल एंड इंटरेस्टिंग. इट कैन बी मोटिवेट. पजल्स, एक्टिविटीज, games increases motivation. So let us see here conclusion of this theory. You already seen the three modes of Brunner's theory. Inactive, first one, or action, iconic or image, symbolic or language. So these are the three modes of learning. Then next is the concept spiral curriculum, simple to complex, repeated learning. Then next, discovery learning, children learn by exploring. Scaffolding means support, gradual removal. सपोर्ट को क्या है? धीरे धीरे निकालना है. देन लर्निंग इज एक्टिव, कल्चर बेस्ड, देन मोटिवेटेड. लर्निंग क्या होता है? एक्टिव होता है और कल्चर बेस्ड होता है, देन मोटिवेटेड होता है. सो दिस इज अ कंक्लूजन. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड रिलेटेड टू Brunner's theory. So question number 1, according to Brunner, learning happens best through first rote learning, discovery learning, punishment, repetition. So now we already discussed this theory. So try to guess the right answer. You take a few seconds. So कौन सा सही आंसर है बताएं. According to Brunner, learning happens best through rote learning, discovery learning, punishment, repetition. अच्छा, आपने आंसर सही गेस किया होगा. So here the right answer is answer B, discovery learning. The next, inactive stage means learning through symbols, learning through pictures, learning through actions, learning through language. I think you got the answer, inactive. So right answer C. Learning through action based learning. The next, spiral curriculum means same topic taught only once, teaching from complex to simple, reteaching the same topic with a deeper understanding, giving homework repeatedly. So which is the right answer here? Try to guess the right answer. Spiral curriculum means. So see here, the right answer is C. Reteaching the same topic with a deeper understanding. That's called a spiral curriculum. Next, scaffolding refers to teachers' permanent help, temporary support gradually removed, punishment, reinforcement. डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. व्हाट इज स्कैफोल्डिंग? अपने बताने की कोशिश की है. यहाँ पर आंसर आपको आइडिया आ चुका है, तो चेक करें. सो बी, स्कैफोल्डिंग इट मीन्स अ सपोर्ट, टेम्पोररी सपोर्ट gradually removed. So this is the fourth question. So this is about Jerome Bruner's cognitive development theory. I think all of you understood. Those who have participated in this my live session, I tell you very much thanks. And those who are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe, and also comment about my this live session, and also share to your friends this information, and also all of you participate in my coming live sessions.